animism implementers.
The brain transitions from different brain state, from the deep delta state, the theta state, back to the alpha. While it's transitioning, you may not be able to recall everything. Any sort of psychoactive substance that temporarily alters your state of mind really transcends you into a place of. And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogy. Power hypnagogy have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would...
Aren't you filming me?
How's this boy? How's your boy now? How's your boy now?
I really like it. I like the texture. I like how it's not ironed. It's not supposed to be ironed.
Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hands. And as you're about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination.
What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly, for me, it's Sesame Street. Yeah.
For more and other kinds of things, go to patreon.com/The Jeff Richards Show. It's made in part by those who are made in part by those who are made in part. Today's moderator is Two Crows from the better known Two Crows Band. You can catch him as Slappy Bonaducci in the messagings. Okay, so here we go. This is what we got. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really love it. Okay, I don't really know what we're doing here. We're waiting for Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First to get a new jacket on. Oh, an even more spectacular jacket. Oh, I love it. It's really cool. Oh, it's cool. I really love it. Aren't you?
Yes,
where did you get that jacket? Did you get that at Finals?